Most companies have a really fancy mission statement about what they want to do for the environment and what they want to do for their employees. And I think those are great. I think that if companies really embrace their mission statements and it's a really good thought out mission statement, it should help you, the customer. We have a very simple mission statement. How do we create roofs that are designed for you to eliminate your roof leaks for the life of your building? It's the same mission statement that we had 35 years ago. It's the same mission statement that we have today. And if you've watched any of our old videos from 1993 on to today, our words have never changed. And that's because of that, because the product actually works. It was designed right with environmentally friendly materials. That's easy to install. And if you ask customers that have had WeatherWeld for more than 30 years, they're gonna say that they haven't put any money into their roofs, that they're still lasting. In fact, they don't even remember that they have a roof on their building because it doesn't leak. And I get no greater satisfaction than knowing that building owners that have had roofs for 35 years at half the thickness that are still going and they don't even remember it. So when we call them to say, hey, like anything we can do for you, they're like, I don't even remember that we had a roof. And for me, that's awesome. I'm excited that this is year 24 for me, 35 for the company, and 100 years from now, you're gonna see most of the world covered with WeatherWeld. So it's time for you to jump on the bandwagon, because if you can agree with the mission statement of creating roofs that are designed to last once, that you install once, the cheapest thing you can do with a product that's environmentally friendly and easy to install, then our mission statement should become your mission statement.